So in the last video we have solved the Natas 4 lab and got the password for the Natas 5 lab. So in this video we are going to solve the Natas 5 lab, okay, and we'll get the password for the Natas 6, okay. So here we go. And the password was just okay. Access was disallowed. Okay, control you. There is nothing here. Okay, let's inspect this. If we got something, okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, so in the cookies section there are some things here. Okay, so this is got logged in 0. Let's change the value here from 0 to 1. Hit enter. Okay, now refresh. Okay, so this was easy. Here we got the password for Natas 6. Let's move on to next lab in the next video. Okay, thank you guys.